Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is last week's spread in my HOBONICHI Cousin Avec using the stickers from JoJo's Pretty Planner shop. And I just love the neutral pink colors of this whole entire spread. So for this week, the week of the 4th through the 10th, I'll be using a new collection from my shop, which will be going live on Thursday, the 7th of July. And it is my butterfly collection. So you've got the deco sheets, the matching butterfly swatches, the circles, as well as the quotes. And I just have to say, like a few months ago, if you had told me at the beginning of the year that I would be making something like this, I never would have believed you. And I'm just so proud, if I can say that, so proud of how these turned out. And I'm so glad I learned how to do these. All right, let's get started. All right, so the washi I decided to use is from Simply Gilded, and I apologize ahead of time because I don't remember what they're called. But I thought this light blue with a bit of the taupe would match really, really well. And I always like to put washi up at the top here because I don't really use the hours before that for anything. And it's just a nice bit of decoration up at the top without really too much effort. So, oh, I hear Lucy coming down the stairs. Okay, hi Peppers. She's gonna go in her bed. So I'm trying to decide which sticker I want down in the bottom. I think I'm gonna choose this one. Oh, I love these butterflies. Oh, so pretty. And these come in either the clear matte or the white matte sticker paper. Then I'm going to, what do I want to do? I feel like I want to cover like the date, but then I don't know. What I think I'm going to go ahead and do first is work on the sidebar. I'm just going to move this bookmark here. Okay, I'm going to work on the sidebar, so I'm going to zoom in and do that. I do my sidebars pretty much the same every week, and this is where I keep track of my sleep score and my workouts. So I brush letter in the word sleep with my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, and then put one of the butterfly swatches right on top. I treat this like a header or a highlighter, a mild liner. And then underneath I draw a graph with the numbers 4 through 9 on the side, and then Monday through Friday at the bottom. And this is where I chart out or graph out my sleep score and how many hours of sleep I got each day. And then underneath that, I brush letter in the words workout and use another butterfly swatch. Forgot to mention that I do use a Coffee Monsters Co emoji, and then write in my workouts for the week. Now, because we are on vacation next week, I don't know how much of my workouts I'll be able to get in, so I'll leave these blank for now. And then I'm also going to add a little quote at the bottom, the be the change. I love that. Always just enough room. So then let's move to the bottom portion. Now the bottom portion is where I actually track my meals. So I'm going to go ahead and brush letter in the word meals for Monday through Sunday, and then using the paint swatches, once again, using that as a header for each day, and then writing in BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So planning out this section is going to be a little bit more difficult because we are on vacation this week. So we leave on the Tuesday, and then the rest of the week I'm basically going to fill in as we go. There are going to be certain things that I'll be able to do in here, like new releases. And then we get back on the Saturday, and oh, Lucy. Lucy was barking at the movie Man vs. Bee on TV. Anyway, so on the Monday, I have quite a few things that I need to do to get ready for the week. We've got to pack, and I'm not going to structure this in any way. Really, it's going to mostly be a to-do list type of day. So I'm just going to write to do. I'm almost nervous doing this, but you know what? I'll just do it. To do. And using one of these, Okay, I love these. Oh my god, I totally put that down wrong. Ooh. Yeah, and I can't use that again because it all went on there. Poop. You'll go in that little garbage. Okay, I hate wasting them, and I totally put that down wrong. That was totally my fault. So, much better. Okay, then there are a few things that definitely need to do that day. We've got to pack, and I'm gonna have a separate list of what we're packing. I do need to film my week's plan with me, which is gonna come out on the 10th. I'm gonna film the cousin plan with me for the following week. I will need to begin filming the daily journal. Then I will need to, gosh, what else is there to do? Pack, film, blah, 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 blah. Oh, I need to meal plan and order groceries for Saturday. I'm going to keep that open because that's things are going to change so much. Okay, and then the 5th is when we leave. So I'm thinking, because we don't check in until 4, I'm going to actually write that down. So check in and use one of these. So check-in is at 4. I'm going to get, oh, I'm excited to use a road trip sticker. Whoops. Oh, and there's even a pool sticker. I bought these camping emojis thinking I was going camping this month. This month, not going to happen, but I would definitely be using these mountain scenery ones. Driving, road trip. Okay. Which one? Which one do I want to use? Let's do road trip. If we leave by 10, it's a 3-hour drive. It'll still give us time to make a lot of stops on the way. So I'm gonna just say road trip here. And then leave for Hinton gives us plenty of time, and then we can get lunch and then do a quick walk before we actually check in. And then the day after, gosh, this is going to be such a boring plan with me. I apologize in advance because really there's not much that I can add in here yet because I don't know how it's going to turn out. That's almost the beauty of this spread, is that I don't know how things are going to turn out. So I'm actually going to place this big circle, and I'm kind of regretting putting the washi down. I am regretting putting the washi down because I feel like it doesn't really match with the spread. Oh, please. Oh, part of me. The thing with the Hobonichi paper, with the Tomoe River paper, is that it is very thin and very, I say, fragile. It's very hard to peel off anything that you stick down. But I managed to do it. Oh, thank goodness. So I'm just going to place that here with a set yourself free. Oh, I like that so much better. And then this one. Oh my goodness. I remember from previous plan with me's when I would try and peel up a sticker, there would be some people watching who'd be like, I can't watch you do that. I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna pause this here and do this myself. Ta-da! Oh, so happy that that turned out well. Okay, so I'm gonna put a big watercolor butterfly down. Let's cut lines. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I love that so much. And then I'm gonna put a blue circle over here with, I feel like it still does need washi. It's just a matter of what washi. So I think I'm gonna go with my trusty, tried and true grid washi. Although I do have this washi. I think this would match more. I don't remember where I got this from. This was like years ago that I got this washi. Oh, but I like that. I like that little bit of the black in there. Oh, lovely, lovely. I'm going to be adding more butterflies throughout this spread though. I definitely will. I think I'll add one here. Perfect. Then I know that we head back on the 9th, so I feel like I can, let's find another car ride one where we're not as happy because the trip is over. So these people look angry. I don't necessarily want to look angry. Yeah, let's just do a white one here. And I honestly don't know what time we plan on heading back. Probably around noon. So then drive home. And then I think by the time we get home, I'm probably going to get us to do the grocery pickup as soon as we get home. So let's find a grocery sticker here. So picking up groceries for the week. Why is it that I never have the grocery stickers ready to go? Oh, and then, yes, we will have to put out garbages before we leave. How am I going to do that? Basically remind my husband to put out garbages. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to put this here. And then just write garbages. Put out garbage. Then I apologize again in advance how all over the place this is. So then the drive home is about 3 hours. That's too big. Too big. I like my teeny tiny stickers. Oh, here we go. Grocery emojis. There we go. I'm gonna move this over. And here. So yeah, we'll do the grocery pickup between 6 and 6:30 just to be safe. Or even 5 to 5:30 or 5. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. 5:30 to 6. Pick up groceries. I am all over the place, guys. I'm so sorry. One of the things that I remembered I have to do is wash the bed linens. So I'll wash them before we leave so that we don't have to do them when we get back. And pack. I know that I have to print and cut stickers. I have to film an IG reel for that. But it's stuff that I could possibly do on this Saturday as well. So I'm actually going to white that out for now because it could be stuff that I do on the Saturday. And I smudged it anyway. Oh well. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of work I have to do. What else? And I did wash bed linen. Oh my god. All over the place. Oh, laundry. Laundry doesn't change. Laundry is always going to be my Saturday night fun. Oh my gosh, guys. It's funny, I'm so excited for us to go on vacation, but it's also like, oh my gosh. So I will be washing and folding laundry Maybe just a big laundry. And then honestly on Sunday I have oh, there is one thing I know that we do have to do on Sunday, and that is Henry's Ninja, which is 11:30 to 12:30. That is not 11:30. So Henry. I call it Henry at Ninja. I think it's so cool that he's basically taking a class to be a little ninja warrior. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, that's literally all I have for now. I'm going to add, what butterfly don't I have in here? I don't have a purple one in here. This is too big. So let's put that back. And I'm going to use these in some journaling spreads too. Is this small enough? Yes. Oh, I love these so much. But I'm first going to put down a little bit of this washi. I don't know what this washi would be called. They look like, they're not stripes or polka dots, but they look like leopard print. And I love them. And just put it down. All right, okay, so how many stickers do I still have left? I have quite a bit. Yeah, and this is what I will be using for my journaling spreads this coming week. So I'm excited for that. Guys, I'm so sorry I was all over the place with this one. I think it's because we don't have a set routine for this week. So I will basically fill this in as I go. But I will also be bringing this journal with me, this Hobonichi cousin with me on our vacation. So I'm actually going to be filming a journal with me plus a bit of a vlog and show you guys how I fill this out throughout the week. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked this haphazard plan with me, I feel like that's an oxymoron. Very messy, all over the place plan with me. But that's why I have a planner, to try and keep my life organized, whatever mess it's in. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.